Hey, Steven here. So Brando and I have left Panama and we are here in Cartagena, Colombia. The busy Cartagena, Colombia, down in the Centro Old Town area. And today, in this video, we're gonna go on a walking tour. We got here yesterday and we were able to check out the central area for a little bit, and let me tell you, it is beautiful, like going back in time. Join us on this adventure of the Old Town Centro area of Cartagena, Colombia. Let's get going. So that gentleman just made up some lime juice for us. It's so humid and hot here. As soon as I saw that, I need one of those. Now that's refreshing.
¿Tienes miedo? ¿Te mataría? Ahí está, como un rotario
So this fortress wall goes all the way around the central area, the old town area here in Cartagena. And apparently it runs about 11 kilometers. I'm not sure if we're gonna walk all 11 kilometers, but we're gonna walk a portion of it. Check it out and explore this beautiful little town. Well, the old town of Cartagena sure is beautiful. It really does take you back in time to a long time ago. I've enjoyed wandering around and checking out this part of the city. Tomorrow, I think, though, we're gonna head to another area outside of the touristy area. It's a little too touristy here for my liking, a little bit too busy, a little too much hustling going on. I'm glad that we came here and we got to explore and we got to see this little place. It sure is incredible, and if you come to Cartagena, definitely come to the center area, to the old town, explore these beautiful buildings and see what it's all about here. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Thank you so much for following us along. If you haven't already, take a minute, hit that subscribe button. Follow us along as we travel through Central and South America. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one.